That's good, bro. That's good, bro.
Am I still sweating?
I'm hot as well. Like I literally can smell it, bro. Wait, excuse me, bro. Is this video here? Yeah. How would I get like hold of this?
Take my contact.
Yeah. Can I take your contact?
Yeah, of course.
Sorry, once I get these. You want it in portrait, innit? Hold on. That's a good one. That's a sick one, that is. Yeah, change sides now. That's a sick one. That's a good one. Yeah, right. Change your pose. Here? Yeah, go on. Go on. Quickly, yeah. No, you're alright.
What's that couple?
Huh? He just wants a quick picture in it. Oh, you got good photography? You want to right, cool. Alright, say that in there. Let's get, are you on Instagram? We'll do this.
Yeah, we gotta get people in. Can you get on there?
Yeah, he's got some, yeah. How would I get them? Instagram?
Yeah, we're done now.
Instagram, yeah? Can I add yours?
Yeah,
They're good ones, bro.
there are a lot of good ones.
Hmm?
There are a lot of good ones.
You want to use the glasses for your photo, innit?